Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. Today's topic is this: dividend stocks. Dividend stocks you should buy. You see, the reason you should be in the stock market is very simple. You buy stocks so that when they rise up, you gain. That one is called capital gains. When you buy stock when it's low and it goes up, you gain. For example, you buy Safaricom when it's 5 shillings and it goes up. Currently now it's about 42 shillings. So you gain, your money has multiplied 800%. Your money has multiplied 8 times over. So you gain, capital gains. But also over the period, Safaricom has been giving guys dividends. And dividends is very good. Let's say you have 10,000 Safaricom shares or 100,000 Safaricom shares. And every year you're giving a shilling. Or every year you're given a shilling. You see, this money over time, let's say you are old and you're in the village, for example, and every year Safaricom is giving you 100,000 shillings dividend. This can be a very good money, especially when you are retired. It can help you pay bills. It is better than waiting for the government to give you 2,000 shillings every month. Because that is what has been happening to our old men and old women in the village. Those who are 70 years and above. They go and queue and the government gives them money. Ladies and gentlemen, you don't want that. I want myself and I want you, not anybody, you, to have a good, comfortable life as we grow in age. Because every day we are growing older. And there is no reason, there is absolutely no reason why you should be broke in your old age. You see, when you save over a period of time, when you invest over a period of time, now I'm 40 years. I'm remaining with 20 years to retire. 20 years to retire. Now, if I save 10,000 shillings, forget even 10,000 shillings. If I save 1,000 shillings over a period of 12 months, over a period of 20 years, at 40% return, I'll retire with 10 million. Automatic. That is what, at 40% return, I'll retire with 9 million, 10 million. And that's what I'm working on. And now you can, to make it even sweeter, you can be buying stocks that will be giving you dividends. Not only will your money have grown over time, but also you'll be getting dividends courtesy of buying stocks and buying shares. Companies that have been giving very good dividends. We have Safaricom giving very good dividends. We have Standard Chartered Bank giving very good dividends. We have British American Tobacco giving very good dividends. We have BAT, we have Kapchorwa, we have Limuru Tea, we have many, Total Kenya, we have KCB, where Equity has been giving dividends, but last year, this year they didn't give dividends. So we have many companies in the stock market that keep giving dividends. And I usually tell people in my Telegram group, by the way, I have a Telegram group, join. There are about 7,000 people there. We talk about the stock market 24/7. I usually tell people in my Telegram group, this is the dividend stock to buy. Like now, I told them buy EABL. EABL is giving dividend of about 3 shillings and 50 cents. And these are stocks that you should buy because over time, these stocks, they grow in value. These companies, they expand. These companies, their profits increases. And as their profits increases, their dividends also increases. These are good stocks to buy. These are good stocks to invest in if you need dividends. Because you know what? Apart from capital growth, where capital gains, where stocks grow in price over time, you need something that will be giving you regular income. Regular income is very good, especially when you are growing old. and your salary is coming to an end or you are retired. I'm borrowing from the wisdom of Lina Shugnasi in her book, Investing Bible. Lina Shugnasi says that when interest rates dips, fixed income retirees can suffer because rates on the safe investments such as certificates of deposit, money market will drop too. This can be a hardship time for a retiree who is looking for an investment with a good yield alternative while a cash deposit or bond is maturing. Stocks giving dividends may be more attractive option. Stocks giving dividends is a very good and very attractive option. Ladies and gentlemen, she continues to say further, over time, reinvested dividends can dramatically enhance a stock's total return, which includes the dividend and any price appreciation or decline. Looking back at the past 2 decades, dividends accounted for 49% of the S&P 500's total return. Ladies and gentlemen, buy dividend stocks. Welcome to my Telegram channel. Click the link below. And also, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Tell your friends. Share with your friends. And by the way, if you have a Chamara investment club or you're in a church, invite me. Send me a Telegram link. Not a Telegram link. A Zoom link or a YouTube Google Meet link. I will talk to your people about the stock market for free. Asanteni sana. Bye-bye.